What's up, guys? Good morning. I'm back in Delaware for the phase 2 of the plan of getting that engine into here, this engine out, and this engine in. I was just emptying all the fluids and getting all the front stuff off, all the boring stuff, just getting it out of the way. That way I can show you guys the real shit. There's a lot of little things that just have to be undone and unclipped. So I took all that apart and started on the ECM harness, just like labeling everything as I unclip it and hoping that the tape stays on. Yeah, so I've just been working on the top, following from this part of the ECM coming over here. I just followed it through and started on the top, getting everything unconnected. Obviously I had to take off the intake manifold. So yeah, basically everything's done on the top. I have all the harnesses unclipped. Now I just have to finish on the bottom, which I'm not gonna lie, I kinda don't want to do right now because it's cold outside, it's nighttime, and I'm starting to get a little lazy. But I want to have everything ready for tomorrow morning when I come out here. I'll be removing the whole engine out. Shouldn't be too hard, and putting the new one in. I bought a lot of gaskets for the new one, but they won't be here till tomorrow. I'm not getting a clutch. I'm working with very limited money. This is as nice as the products that I have on this car, as nice as companies that I'm going to and using. I still like to think of this as a budget build. Everything I get for the car, I want it to be nice, but I know that I can't rush it and I can't spend all my money and have it right away. So I'm holding off on the clutch for now. I'm just gonna burn out the clutch that I have, and obviously when the time comes, holla at Action Clutch. Aside from that, I mean, there's other things I wish I could do that I'm not gonna bore you with. I did get a new oil pan, because I don't know if you remember, but the last video at Journeyman, New York, they lifted it with a forklift, and the forklift definitely hit the drain plug and made it start leaking from there. So I just went ahead and got an oil pan and the drain plug. So I got that, I got gaskets, I have more gaskets, and that's it. So that's just a little update because I haven't really been keeping you guys up to date. You know, like I said, it's just been very tedious, very boring. I could put you on a time lapse, I could, you know, run you through it, but I'd just rather let you guys see the action of what's going down. You know, like tomorrow when I get the crane set up, it's gonna be crazy. So yeah, this clip is going a little too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it moving. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. If you guys didn't know the cheat code, Starbucks cake pop chocolate cappuccino. Delicious. That's cold. It's a brand new day. Couldn't finish last night doing what I was trying to finish because it was too cold. But here I am, an even colder day, back at it, trying to get this done before I head back to New York. Good times. That'll warm up this place. Here she is. I'm gonna just keep continuing from what I did last night. Labeling all the harness connectors and just connecting them while doing so. After I get done that, I'll just go ahead and start disconnecting the transmission so I can just pull it all out together. It's so cold out here. It's gonna be fun. scene. Okay. That sucks, dude.
That's tragic.
This is all we have. This sucks, bro. Bad. This is bad. I gotta find some kerosene. No! It's empty. God damn it, dude. This man got the can. We needed that.
Oh, I'll hit the back. I'll be back. I'm gonna fill this up real quick, and then you turn it off.
Yeah, it turned off by itself.
Yeah, you gotta actually flip the switch off when it turns off. So
Didn't do that.
so let me turn it off. Put some in. I'll go get some more. I'll be back.
Awesome, man. Woo. Saving the day.
We have heat.
All the kerosene on my hands.
It smells good, right?
Put that in front of a nice lit up fire. We'll see what happens. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Light my fire. Don't blow up. Fire in the hole!
Loving it. Loving it. Got the harness off. Everything is unclipped, it seems. All the wires, all the hoses. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take off the front engine mounts. That way I can give the engine some slack and get to the bolts in the back that's connected to the transmission. And that should make it easier to get to those bolts. So just gotta get these engine mounts off. Alright, so I got it lifted, I got the engine mounts out. Now the engine is completely weighted or balanced onto that wood piece. So I'm just going to drop it down, try to get to those back bolts of the transmission on the top. Should be pretty easy.
Easy. Together, then you got to bash over and I got that. Goes to come up, like I'll be here.
Oh yeah, we don't have that weight bar thing.
Yeah, so I'll be here, right? We could put a knot, but if we're off balanced at all, the motor will just do this number coming in now. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll sit here. Obviously I won't put my thumb in there, but I'll just hold this back while you guys are doing what you're doing, which is lowering the car, and that'll help keep the pressure more that way. For any reason it decides to slip, we can always put like a block under one side or the other. Drop it a little bit and it will retilt it on the strap and center it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Either that or we get crazy.
Sketchy vibes.
Yep. What are you saying? I thought we were just trying to make this thing lighter. This is how you break the
My stool just slipped. Yeah?
Note to self, the instruction manual for the 3/8 says do not use brake fluid. This is not a torque wrench. I got it though. Broken bolt. Very good job. Ah, $45 later. Nah, I think this one's dirty.
that's one bolt. And then go to the right. On the other one. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Yo, can you pass me that thing again? That bar? That 38 sticker?
Fictitious breaker bar? The teacher told you to learn how to sit in your chair in class. Oh my fuck. That's what happens when you only fuck 5.
Yeah. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Remember when Jason said this kind of shit for me? Now he just watches me do it. And he says, I'm so proud. Look at him go. Yeah, you, mate.
Hey, just so you know, let's not start a fire here, bro.
We might. Whatever it takes to stay warm, right?
No, I'm turning this off now.
Nah, don't do that.
I have to. You know that the plastic bag.
Mario getting ready, or prepping the back of the engine. We're getting it in there. I'm over here trying to get bolts off of these manifolds. Once that's done, I can take the engine out and get the new one in there, just like that. Boom. It's quick.
There you go. Alright, watch this.
Everybody ready to,
Everybody ready to meet Jesus?
everybody ready to take it down? Let's see how good those Amish guys were.
Oh, look, check it out. It's still attached to the engine. Right here. Do we need to cut that?
Yeah. Where's your knife
I think
at?
that's the only thing that's holding the engine.
That's good. I did a good job then.
Pretty much. You did a great job, man. Great job.
And then
Usually there's always something like that,
this
you know what I
last-
mean?
yeah.
Like hanging on
last
the
last
engine.
sensor right here.
What's that?
Last sensor.
Ah,
One more sensor.
God.
This? That's just the.
Yeah, that's not
It's
connected.
disconnected, but what-
Yeah,
Is it under? Oh, it's under. Okay.
yeah.
And this is the engine.
See this bottom hose
Let's
here?
lift that thing out of there, would you?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey. It's not hooked on nothing, right? So if I pull up on it, it'll give us downward pressure.
She's out of there, bro.
Huh?
She's out of there.
Just started up and back it up.
Right, this one?
Yeah, the 350.
Oh, okay. Good?
Got it out, man.
How's it feel, boys?
Whoa! Whoa! We're
How's it
still
feel,
getting to the
boys?
garage!
Got stuff in there.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun to align everything up. That's gonna suck.
No.